Hello friends, welcome back to Bestyear Boats YouTube channel, giving you a special video tour today of a semi-finished 132 feet luxury yacht that we have in our facilities right now. Some basic information about this project. So it has been worked on for quite a while right now, as you can see here. The hull and the superstructure are both fully established. In terms of the interior, all the cables and piping are fully equipped, but is pending the actual decoration of the interior space. The estimated completion time for this project is in June 2022, so that's about a year's time from when I am speaking to you right now. Now, some other facts about this yacht. It comes with 2 master staterooms and 4 guest staterooms, and all of them come with their independent bathrooms in them. In terms of crew accommodation, it comes with a captain room and 4 crew cabins, and again, all of them comes with their independent bathrooms. Now, the standard engines for this yacht are Caterpillar C32s, and together 1200 horsepower. Also, the generator are from Caterpillar as well. Now, this project comes with a RINA Pleasure Yacht Class classification. So that means when you purchase it, it comes fully with a set of documentation as well as the classification for you to travel around with it. Because this is a semi-finished project, we're having it on sale for a really good promotional price right now. So if you're interested or any of your clients could be interested, kindly reach out to us to have a price quote for you. Here we'll be taking a tour of the inner cabins of the yacht. We're right now at the lower level, the lower deck of the yacht, where the crew accommodation is at. As you can see, majority of the interior layout is done. These are the bunk beds for crew accommodation, cables on the top. Symmetrical layout on the other side as well. Now, moving forward, we're coming closer to 2, again, symmetrical crew accommodation rooms as well, which come with the bathroom, as you can see here. Look on the other side, same layout. Closet here. And here we're coming to the stairs leading to the bow deck. Now, coming above the stairs, we're first looking at an independent storage space. The walls haven't been entirely finished, as you can see. From here, we'll be going to the deck at bow. Here we're at the crew space at the bow. So what we're pointing at is the sunbathing area, as well as an outdoor salon area. So here on the right is the sunbathing area, and this circle here is the salon area, where you can gather with friends, enjoy dining outdoors, all sorts of gathering activities. Before we go downstairs, on the right-hand side is the wheelhouse, where the captain, the crew will be operating the yacht from here. We're walking towards, right now, the space behind the main salon. So as we can see here, downstairs we're coming into 4 guest staterooms. 2 of them come with a double-sized bed, I believe. So 2 beds in each room. Here as well. And the other two come with a queen or king sized bed right here. And there is the bathroom, of course, that's within the stateroom. And all of the staterooms, again, come with their own independent bathrooms. On the right hand side is the walk-in wardrobe or closet. So very fancy and all-encompassing facilities for all the guests on your yacht. Here is an identical room for another queen or king size bed for the guests. As you can see, the interior wood of choice is cherry wood. Closer look on the walls here. Space for the bed. Coming out of the guest accommodation areas, we're walking up towards the main salon on the main deck. Here we will see right here the spacious area for dining, gathering, the salon activities we have. And coming out of it, we're right now at the stern deck, which has stairs that going again towards the upper level. So here coming up, this is a semi-open space, I believe. On the standard design layout, it's designed to be a bar area where we can serve guests. Guests can come and go and grab their own drinks. And this space is actually flexible in terms of its utility. You can decide either to make it into a gym, entertainment space, or you can use it for captain's accommodation right here. And here there are two doors leading towards the wheelhouse in the front. We've passed this before. And this is where the cockpit, the instrumentations, the dashboard will be, and all of these boards you can see here will be windows for the captain's observation of the outdoor. From the cockpit, there are two doors going towards the cabin area, and there are two doors on the side which lead to the outside space as well. So now we're going back to the outdoor space. This is the outdoor entertainment space on the upper deck. Spacious area for any kinds of activity, and stairs right here lead towards the flybridge. Steps on the other side are leading towards this area. So now we're going above towards the flybridge. This is what the flybridge area looks like. On the front of the flybridge will be a helm's position, a bridge helm. There is also a massaging spa located on the flybridge. So overhead has a fiberglass hardtop that covers, I believe, half of the flybridge space as a canopy. Overall, the flybridge area is quite spacious, and you can designate it to a variety of different activities as well. Now we're coming to the master stateroom area to take a look. As we come through the door, this is the designated area for the master stateroom. As you can see, you can still choose your interior layout and style. And this space is the reserved space for the wardrobe, and I think the bathroom as well. Here we're taking a final look at the engine cabin. Most of the piping have been laid out already, as well the engine's main equipment and their protection system has been done. So again, if yourself or any of your clients are interested in this 132 feet luxury yacht, just reach out to us at sales@boatbestyear.com.